Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is Forex Quick Look on. Take a look at the dollar versus Canada. Now, I know it's FOMC rate day, and the market is going to be focused on what the Federal Reserve does, and the dollar will be focused on that as well. But right now, the dollar is moving lower in U.S. trading, helped by lower rates. The U.S. yields are lower on the day for a change. The 2-year yield is now down about 5 basis points at 5.06%. The 10-year is down 4 basis points at 4.326%, and that is helping to push the U.S. dollar to the downside, even against the dollar versus Canada. And even despite the fact that oil prices are lower today for a change as well, the oil prices are trading around $90. It's down about 50 cents on the day, but it is also off the low levels of the day as well. So maybe there's a little bit to that. Nevertheless, the technicals are making a play in the dollar versus Canada as well, with the 200-day moving average holding resistance at the highs in trading here today. This is a 4-hour chart, and you can see the price rotated up and tested that 200-day moving average. That's this green line right here. It's overlaid line on the 4-hour chart. Also, near that level was a broken 38.2% retracement of the trading range since the low price in July of this year to the high price that we saw in the month of September. So that 38.2 and the 200-day moving average both came in at the 134.64 level, and the double levels up there, the double technical levels, gave traders a reason to lean against that level. When you lean, you define risk against that level. If it were to go above, you get out. So if you were to sell against that level and the price goes above, you get out and you risk a little. If the price stays below that level like it did right through here, you have the potential for the price to rotate to the downside and risk a little to make more than a little. That's what traders try to do. So these technical levels aren't just hocus pocus. They're ways for traders to define their risk and limit their risk. And once they accept that risk, they do a trade. And if they're right, they lose a little and make more than a little. Get it? Get it. Okay, so now the price is moving lower, and we're within this swing area on this 4-hour chart. The swing area goes back in time, actually, if you just follow this yellow area right through here. And I were to bring this chart all the way back through this level, it kind of starts right here where we had swing lows right here, and then they became resistance through here, and then we broke above it there. And then we saw the price become resistance here again after the break lower. Only to move to the upside and then find kind of support here and support here before breaking lower through here. So you can see the pattern being developed right here as a defining swing level. Now it got a little messy through here, but it did try to hold support here, moved higher and then broke below it and then moved higher as well right through here. That opened the door for further upside momentum on the break to the upside. And here in trading this week, the price fell below that level after the CPI data yesterday, and we also fell below this blue line. This blue line represents a 100-day moving average. CPI data yesterday came in stronger than expected, but the momentum to the downside was quickly reversed, and the price rotated to the upside. So we're in the ups and downs, but what we do know from a technical perspective is the 200-day moving average on the top side is a key level, and also 38.2% retracement. On the downside, what do we know? We know the 100-day moving average is a key level along with the 50% retracement level. So we'll be watching both of those levels on the downside here and along with this swing area through here. So the levels are pretty much defined in the dollar versus Canada. It's just a matter of breaking out and seeing if the momentum can break in the direction of the breakout. Yesterday it failed. Today the resistance held. So it's just part of trading. We'll see how it all pans out. My name is Greg Michalowski. Hope you found this video useful. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.